This gallon of J-B Weld Fiberglass Resin delivers a strong, waterproof bond that holds up well on everything from pool surfaces to boat hulls and bathroom fixtures. Because it is a true two-component system, it cures into a rigid, durable repair that feels much closer to original fiberglass than many quick-patch products. The resin works reliably with fiberglass cloth or mat, allowing you to rebuild missing sections, bridge gaps, and reinforce weak spots instead of just skimming over them. It adheres well to fiberglass, rigid plastics, metal, and even concrete, which makes it a versatile choice when you are tackling mixed material repairs around a property. Once mixed correctly, it sets up in only a couple of hours, so you can sand, shape, and finish the repair in the same day rather than waiting endlessly for it to harden. In regular use, it resists water intrusion and everyday wear, making it a dependable option for keeping pools, tubs, showers, and marine projects structurally sound over the long term.